Today's story is about friendship, kindness, and a little puppy who brought big changes into two boys' lives.
What a beautiful morning!
Yeah, perfect day for school and fun.
You can never beat me. One day I will win for sure! Leo, did you hear that? Hear what? Something is crying. Don't be scared. We won't hurt you. Poor little guy. He must be hungry. We can't call him Puppy forever.
What about Buddy?
Yes! Buddy sounds perfect.
Next here related this puppy.
Okay, let's go.
I saw someone searching for a puppy near the main road.
Really? Let's go, Leo. This might be his owner.
That puppy is mine.
Yours? Something feels wrong. If he is yours, what is his favorite toy?
Toy?
He doesn't even know. Look! Buddy is scared of him. That's not a good sign.
Give me the...
Something is definitely wrong. We must find real owner carefully. Ethan, look at this. It's Buddy. His real owner is searching. We must take him back to his real owner. Yes. Someone is crying for. Let's make him happy again.
Yeah, Buddy deserves his real home.
Are you the owner of Buddy?
Yes.
He is my puppy. Buddy, you came back.
He missed you so much. Now,
Please take this reward. You deserve it.
We could buy so many things, but kindness is more important.
We don't want money. We just wanted Buddy to go home safely.
This is for both of you, my heroes.
Thank you, Ethan. This is the best.
You are our kindness heroes. These boys showed true kindness and responsibility.
Let's help more animals. Yes! This is just the beginning. Look, Ethan! Another rescued kitten. Kindness is spreading everywhere. One small act changed everything. And it all started with Buddy.
Remember, kindness is free. Be kind, stay brave, and I'll see you in the next adventure.